On the new C-Class, we remove the rear door lining. To begin, lower the rear window all the way down. Switch off the ignition and remove the key. In the armrest, there are two screws. The first is clearly visible in the front portion of the door. The second screw is somewhat hidden further back in the door liner. Now reach into the lower tray and loosen the lining of the door. Work your way carefully upwards. Once the door lining has been removed, detach the cable of the inside door handle. Disconnect the plug connectors and the cables to the control unit. The removal of the door lining is successful.